Kim from Kimberbell, and I'm here to show you another technique for punch needle. And this technique I'm calling up and down. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's take a look at these strawberries, for example. Here you can see just little bits of strawberry seeds, right? It's the white yarn. Well, it's not quite as large as I would normally have if I was doing, say, a French knot. I want it smaller than that French knot. So instead, I'm going to do what I call the up and down technique. For this one, I'm actually going to thread my yarn on the needle here, and I do want to tie a knot at the end. Okay, now going up, I'm going to place my needle underneath the project, and I'm going to go, you know what, I think I want a seed about right there. You can, of course, refer to your pattern as to where we would suggest placing it. But on the pattern, it is approximately in this area. So I'm going to take my needle up, pull it all the way through. You might need to give it a little wiggle there, until it ends with a knot and it can't go any further. And then I'm just going to go just really close to where I first came up. It's going to be right next to it, and put the needle going down. Okay. Give it a little wiggle to go through there, and very gently bring my yarn down to create just a little dot. And in this case, it's just a little seed. There you go. So you see that just little speck of white there? That's what you're going to get by doing the up and down method. All right, let's try another one. We're going to go up, pull it all the way through, and then down right next to it, just so that you have a little speck of white laying across the top of your project. Just gently pull that through so it doesn't go too tight into those yarn fibers, but enough to just kind of rest on top. Okay, let's do another one. Up and then down. Okay, there you go. Now you've done the up and down method for creating just little specks of color in your project.